Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Chanel, aka the Rosie Planner, and today we are doing an unboxing of the Villabeautifful kit. I'm just in awe, an absolute awe. Like, ShopVillaBeautifful did her thing this month, and it's our anniversary month, so you could already see we getting little extras of everything, and I'm super excited to get this because I've been seeing everybody unbox theirs, and I'm like, oh my god, when is mine coming in the mail? And it came today, and I sat down and I'm doing this video so that I could play with it afterwards, play with all the stuff afterwards. So I'm super excited, and let's just, you know, get right into this. So as you can see, something that's already new, which I'm super excited about, is this envelope, because storage is going to be real. Like, storage is going to be great, and I don't have the paper pack with this, but still, you can store literally everything in here. Like, you could just keep all the stuff, all the monthly stuff in the cases, in these types of cases, and just have them stacked and ready to go for, you know, whatever month that you want to dive into. So I'm really excited about that. The design is beautiful. The glasses, the cup, everything about this case is awesome. You could use it for school. You could use it for anything. So we unbox that, and I'm just kind of going to just dump it all out. All right, so let's see, where's the... So we have the journaling cards first. We have this beautiful, and so the theme of this month is her desk and her shop area, all her stuff in her office and things like that. So that's the theme. So everything is kind of a picture and a reflection of what she has going on in her office, and that's super exciting. And then we have this journaling card. I love the lashes, pins, and the VB pen. And then I'm going to go into the other journaling cards because I think they're super cute. So you have Girl with a Plan, I Am Very Busy. You have these little notebooks and stuff in there. You have the pens. This is beautiful. All her pens in like a cup. Well, some of her pens, because she has so many. And then this one, which is a picture of some washi with the foil. Like, look at that. All right, so then next we have these dainty little stickers, and I really like this. She put one on the gold hardware on one of the pens, as well as I've also seen on Instagram one lady, she reposted, put them on her nails, and I thought that was kind of cool. So you can kind of put them anywhere because they're dainty and tiny. They can fit anywhere. Look at that. So that's cute. Then we have the sticky note, which I think is adorable and so original. It's like, you know, her stand and stuff. Let me... So it's actually sticky, and it just has like all her VB stuff and her drawers, and I just think that's so cool that she has this in her office and that she used it as a sticky note. It's very original. Then we have this pouch, which I saw on someone's feed, and I just thought it was so cute. So this works, I think it will work for anything, but if you especially have like a hobonichi, it's a trifold folder. Look at that. The design, these Villabeautifful pens on here, like, come on, y'all. Y'all know this is fire. And then you open it up, and then you have two big pockets on the end, plus two little pockets. Ugh. And then you have one big pocket in here, and then you have like slits. I don't know what you kind of use the slits for, but nonetheless, look at that. That is so cute. And then the foil on it. Come on, y'all. Like, she did that. This is cute, the slim folder that she added. Next, we have this little charm that's super adorable that I honestly can see my keychains on. Like, look at that. Oh my gosh. And it's heavy duty. Like, it's not that light. It's pretty heavy. Oh my goodness, look how cute that is. And then there's glitter on the pens. Excuse my nails, y'all. They're not together, but that's so pretty. All right, then we have the extra ink pens. Let's look at the washi. The washi is super cute this month too. It has the cup. It has like a little jar. I'm sure you could put stuff in. Her bow, cup, the pen. And then this one's just kind of like a paint splatter. Super cute. And the colors. Oh. Then we have her kit. And on the, her sticker book. And as you can see on the back, she has a lot of stickers in here. A lot. 9 pages worth of stickers. And if you open it up, she even gave you an extra page. Look at that. She gave you this extra one with just a whole bunch of deco. So you have the pens, you have her face, some flowers, more pens. Hello, I'm a wild babe. Is that what a wild? Villababe, sorry. I don't know why I said wild babe. Villababe, Pretty Penny, VB Studio. And then we have these quote box. It's a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful thing when a career and a passion come together. That's facts. Dreams plus work equals success. She designed a life she loves. Be a girl who just went for it. Pen addict. Yeah, that's what we all are. And then we have the functional stickers. We have the full boxes. And then we have some quarter boxes. Then we got some more functional stickers. Then we have some more deco. Like, oh my gosh, these are so pretty. These flowers. Oh, and this flat lay. Look at this flat lay, y'all. And then we have some more quotes down here. Sorry, I hit my camera. Quotes and some more deco. Then we have the days of the week. Some more little functional stuff. We have some tabs here. And then we have some more, we have the little to-do list, the checklists. Oh, look at this one. That's pretty. And that one too, the little flags. And then we have the Hobonichi Weeks kit, but you can use this honestly for anything really. But this last one's kind of dedicated to the Hobonichi because it has the little piece down here. So you could set up multiple planners with this kit, which is what I love. As well as, I think, who else does this? The Honeybee Planner. I mean, not planner, the Honeybee Shop also does like their last one as a Hobonichi so that you can have more than one planner with the same theme. So that was her sticker kit and it was super cute and I loved it. Let's put this back in here. Then she gave us even more goodies and this is her pen holder and I'm in love with it. It has a clear piece and it's pretty thick and flexible too. And then it has a pen piece. A clear piece. And it holds, and then it has the deco of all the other patterns from this kit. So we have that. And then lastly, we have these 2 beautiful pens that I don't even want to take out the box, but I'm going to just for you guys. And so this is the one specifically for this month. And look how, so it's, you know, it has the pink hardware and then the black hardware, and then inside you have the gems that are so pretty. I'm gonna put that back in there. And then you have this bad boy, which is, I think, is a part of her anniversary like freebie gift to everyone who bought the subscription. And it's this matte black. Oh, it's so beautiful with these black gems. Oh my gosh. This is so beautiful. I can't wait to write with this. I don't even want to write with this. I kind of want to hoard all of them, but if you're buying pens, at least you should use them, right? That's my thought. So yeah, that is the a monthly subscription, not subscription, the monthly kit from Villabeautifful. I'm not sure if she has any more on her site, but her link is down below if you want to check out her pens and things like that. She has a lot more products. But I'm super excited to get this kit on the road, guys. Like, oh my gosh, she did such a good job with all these goodies for her anniversary. And it's just like, thank you, sis. Thank you. Like, I appreciate you and all the hard work that you do, because her attention to detail and just all the extra stuff she does in these kits is amazing. So I'm really excited to have gotten this and to get it, because I think they're all sold out, but I'm not quite sure. So yeah, that's everything, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button down below and hit the bell notifications for every single time that I post. I'm super excited for this kit. If you guys have any questions or comments, or if you have or haven't gotten the box, leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Do you like it? Do you not like it? And I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Deuces.